とに来るさ、もう。
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the most shocking wild animal encounters ever caught on camera. These unpredictable moments are sure to leave you both surprised and laughing. Let's get started.
Oh, you love my hair, don't you? I knew it would come in use somewhere.
You'll give you dreadlocks now.
Ah! Just the recording, yeah, record. I'm getting a serval hairdo.
Мужчина! Приличнее не можно быть? Slowly turn around.
When you're just trying to get the perfect wildlife shot and suddenly your audience gets way too close.
That is mzinga. Automatic is from Guatemala, mzinga is from Savo.
Aha. They love a real zip.
Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to befriend a wild gorilla?
No! Baby, no! No, go away! Go away! No! Shit! Stop! Oh no! Fuck! Stop! Oh! Please, stop!
This curious seal had only one mission, making sure the camera got its best angle.
You do this every day? Yeah. Why? Because I love it.
Raw.
An unexpected friendship between an Arctic fox cub and a photographer happened in the most surprising way.
Huh? Recording this. Oh my goodness. Hey, what are you doing, man? Hey, hold up. You trying to take my camera from me?
Kiko! No le facciamo cazzare, per favore. Kiko!
Sometimes the most beautiful wildlife moments happen when curiosity turns into friendship.
If you want me to hold it, I can. Come on.
Yeah, take it somewhere, camera.
His curiosity was impossible to resist as he just had to explore the photographer's giant camera lens.
Huh?
Slowly turn around.
Is he gonna poop on my head?
The leopard cub suddenly appeared in front of the camera and then fixed its fur. photographers accidentally captured 3 bear cubs walking along the beach with their mother. While our photographer was working hard, 2 uninvited guests suddenly showed up.
Best bros.
Seriously.
Sometimes the most beautiful wildlife moments happen when curiosity turns into friendship.
Yeah.
You two want to look towards me for a second?
The photographer was suddenly shocked when a giant elephant unexpectedly filled the camera frame.
Close enough, buddy.
While out filming, the photographers unexpectedly spotted a massive bear casually wandering by.
Yeah.
It's okay, you don't worry. That elephant's waiting for the
It seemed like just an ordinary day until the photographers suddenly came face to face with a giraffe.
my god.
It turns out. Pasar algo, pasar de la bolsa. Oh my god, miércoles. Se me da la bolsa.
When a leopard casually walks past your camera lens like it owns the place. The most amazing moment is when a wild animal trusts you enough to come close.
So cool.
Imagine focusing your camera, then realizing a rhino is charging straight at you.
Oh my god.
Let me go. I love you so.
Let's get it here.
It was just an ordinary day until the photographers suddenly came face to face with a litter of leopard cubs.
Very good.
Emotions. No, don't scare me like that.
Trying to scare us
Yeah, this one's like, I'm gonna do what mom does. But it's like, but you're not going anywhere. Wow.
Oh, right.
Come on, you're meant to be scared of me. Okay, I'm scared. I'm going back. I'm so scared.
It sounds like she's calling for backup, or maybe she's just excited to see a photographer here. Maybe they were models in a past life and came back as beautiful elephants.
Wow, they're really looking.
Look at here. Look at here. Where are you going? Where?
You can see just how difficult and dangerous their lives are through these photos.
Okay, let's go.
Very good.
When the wild becomes too real right before the photographer's eyes.
Hello.
Maybe the leopard wanted a beautiful family photo too, which is why he chose this photographer's service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. We'll see you in the next one.
What's it?
Rob trying to keep it in.
Right after the photo shoot ended, he tries to pick the best shots to post on social media.
Larry the goat eating my camera.
Recording this. Oh my goodness. Hey, what are you doing, man? Hey, hold on. You gotta take my camera from me.
If you were the photographer, could you stay calm and still to capture this magical moment right away? For those meerkats, this man is not a photographer. He is a living lookout tower.
The cannon again.
And
Oh no, there goes mine.
This is the rhino's punishment when your photos do not impress him even a little.
No. Oh, yeah.
While the other chickens stayed home, this adventurous guy already captured his waterfall summit moment. Maybe he thinks this car is the Uber he just ordered.
You can come this way.
Are you looking for a beauty ambassador? I have a face with no bad angles. No posing instructions needed when you are working with a real pro in front of the camera.
I know. Look at you, sweetie. Oh, you're so big. Oh my God. Hi. You're so sweet.
Good job.
Like most celebrities, this elephant does not enjoy being photographed during a casual walk.
Oh my god. I'm in. Oh, stop.
Facebook langzaam weer Oh fuck, I just literally just spat in my face. Oh, that was disgusting.
These two mischievous guys just turned the photo shoot into a showdown to see who is tougher.
Hi there. I didn't expect that. I don't have any food, I'm afraid.
Oh my god.
Evet, bugün böceklerle hoşuna birlikteyiz. Ona doğamızın en çok nelerden zarar gördüğünü soracağız. So, Mr. Lesser-Horned, can you tell us what's the big deal?
Hey. Hello, Mama. Hey, no. Hey, Amba. She understands Dutch.
The horses were so friendly that they would lie down and sunbathe right next to the photographer. Maybe that big gorilla is not as scary as everyone thought.
Shout.
He's come to attack you.
It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Don't move.
This angle really shows how magnificent elephants are. Pretty amazing, right? The photographer probably never expected to meet someone willing to listen to his stories today.
Young Arctic fox becomes friends with photographer.
To him, that camera is nothing less than a lifelong enemy. His passion shifted from swimming to photography after meeting this mentor. He said, "Wait, let me pose real quick."
Up here on the last run of the day. Oh, wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh. Oh, my gosh. There's an owl on me. Are you kidding? Hi, buddy. You're beautiful. Look at this. How are
Do not get the wrong idea. This is just the emergency roadside rescue team.
Oh my, what? Hey, are you kidding me? That is the weirdest haircut I've ever gotten.
Dozens of lenses are pointed at him, yet the lion stays calm like a true celebrity.
He doesn't.
He's there, look. He's on you.
He's on me. Take the fucking picture.
I'm videoing. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Taking photos of the nice sunset with my work colleague here. Hey buddy, how you going? Oh yeah, good scratch, good scratch. Oh yeah.
When you are just walking home and suddenly a bunch of strangers point this weird thing at you.
Don't look, don't get close to it.
That's a coat.
Wow, little pug.
When you accidentally leave your camera behind with a curious family of kittens.
Click.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay positive.